Hello everyone and welcome back to our final sprint. We are Team Munich, and as you can see from our burn down chart, we hadn't quite met all of the requirements. However, I do believe we added some benefits to our product. First and foremost, as you can see in our sprint backlog, we had Duck that worked on importing documents via the file management system, as well as a login and logout option. I worked on displaying all of this logic that was added on the back end to the actual agendas. Yakov worked on creating an algorithm to auto-place the assignments, as well as creating a serializable application where one teacher does not see what another teacher has done on the site. Finally, Sandra worked on changing our Gradle file to generate and build version numbers, as well as being an amazing Git master that kept us all in check. We'll move over to our Travis CI for a moment, and we can see all this beautiful green of successful passes. All right, from here we're going to head over to Git to run our application. I'm going to go ahead and enter the command Gradle run. Give it a second for the login to pop up where we'll enter the teacher information. It has a secret password of 123456. And once that's entered, it should display a whole new AI where we can see courses, assignments, main topics, and sprints, in addition to the import file I was talking about earlier where we can open a text file and append it to a course. We can also fan through the calendar up on top, and as you can see, there's a main topic scheduled for today. However, once you move to the next day, it disappears. We can see sprints that will also show up and give you a deadline in 7 days. Once that 7 days approaches, it will disappear off of the calendar. The assignments will remain up and display whether or not the assignment's overdue, as well as the course in question. Now let's go ahead and add a course to this teacher login. Let's just enter random information just for the heck of it. We can see it here now. I'm going to log out of this system, which was also added on this sprint. We are now going to re-enter the system and log in as a different teacher to show you that that course we just added will not display on this second teacher instance. Another super secret password of 123456. And in a couple seconds, you will see, voila, no courses have been displayed for this teacher. And vice versa, if we want to enter some type of information to this course, we can add it, log out, and enter back into the previous instance of a teacher, and thus prove to you that these are two separate people. And voila, that gibberish that I entered is not here, however the previous example is. Thank you so much for listening to our final presentation. I hope your grading goes well, and I guess we all hope to see you in the future.